Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can search for specific CapCut templates on CapCut. So you're going to select template here and you're going to find the search for it here. For instance, you want to create a template for your mom. So actually try Valentine's Day, for instance. Oops, I can't try Valentine's Day. And you're just going to select the one that you want for your video. So I'm just going to select this one, for instance, and then you're going to just select use template and select pictures and videos for the template, and that's it. Just select the search button. You can also find Valorant edits, and you can also adjust the clips. For instance, you only have 3 to 5 clips. Select confirm, and you want the duration to be 15 to 30 seconds. Press confirm, and then there you have your specific templates. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!